Hello YouTube, this is Christopher Mavros, and today I'm going to walk you through creating a new field in Rapid Contact X. First of all, we go to Components, Rapid Contact X Field Manager, and we click on New on the top left. So here are our field details. This is our name. This is only visible to the backend, so you can write whatever you want here. For example, let's say country. The intelligent field name affects whether or not this field changes your actual email. For example, you can select this field to be the message sender name, the message sender email, reply to address, carbon copy, blank carbon copy, or message subject. If we click on message subject, as you see, it changes our name, and this gets locked because this specific field will be used as the actual subject of the email. So for the moment, let's leave it to common field and get back to our country field. Now, the label is used in our front end. It could be visible on the left or the top of our field, but it's commonly hidden in most modern forms. Our placeholder is a text that appears within the input field if the field type supports it. Our country will be a drop-down, so we're not going to use that for now. Here's our status, whether or not this field is required to submit the form. Our input attributes, whether or not to include this in the message preview. Let me explain what that means. When you get an email to your cell phone, for example, you see sometimes a little text that is a preview of the message, but it doesn't really appear within the message itself sometimes. It's like a description or a short preview. So if you select this field to be included in the message preview, it's going to be added as a hidden element in your message so that your recipients see this field value when they get an email. I hope that makes sense. Now, let's go to our field type. Rapid Contact X features a lot of field types. They are separated in some groups. We have text inputs like text box, text area, a larger text, the email or a number. You can also use formatted text like telephone, US postal code, UK postal code, or 9-digit telephones. And we also have fields with options. For example, our drop-down list. This is what we're going to use today. Our values fields controls the actual values of this drop-down. Here's our field preview, so we can try it later. Let's say we add a few countries. For example, USA, UK, Greece. Let's see how that affects our field here, our field preview. So by writing our values and separating them with a semicolon, we get our drop down like this. Let's take a moment to see the rest of the field types that we have. We can have a multiple select, which means that it allows you to select multiple different values for each of those. You can have checkboxes. You can have radio buttons. The difference between those two being that radio buttons only allow one selection, while checkboxes allow you to select multiple. And we also have special fields like file upload, calendar, some integrations with newsletters, and an explanatory text, which means that you can write your own HTML here with an editor to place between fields and show whatever you want. And some advanced types like email group, field group creator, hidden fields, and checkbox groups. We're going to discuss those in a later video. So as we said, we're going to use a drop-down list. Let's save and view our front-end form. This is our country field. It's near the end because we just added it. And we get the option to select the country. What if we want to place this field upper in our form? You can click here to order by this column and just drag this field upper in your your fields, like here. Let's see how that affects our form. So here it is. This is your new country field that you just added. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and see you next time.